Cold exposure isn't just about the temperature. It also includes wind, moisture, what type of clothing you wear, and how long you are exposed. Cold stress happens when the body loses heat faster than it can produce it. What employees need to know: cold stress can occur when temperatures are above freezing, especially with wind or wet conditions. The body burns more energy trying to stay warm, which increases worker fatigue. Early symptoms are often subtle and easy to miss. Shivering is a warning sign. Cold affects reaction time, grip strength, and decision-making. When exposed long enough, conditions like hypothermia, frostbite, trench foot, and chilblains can occur. What employees need to do: dress in layers. This includes moisture-wicking bases, insulating middle, and wind-resistant outer layers. Keep hands, feet, ears, and face protected. Stay dry. Change wet clothing immediately. Take warm-up breaks in heated or sheltered areas. Eat regularly and stay hydrated. Remember, cold reduces thirst. Watch out for each other as cold stress often shows up first in others. What employees need to watch for: watch for uncontrolled shivering or shivering that suddenly stops. Slurred speech or confusion. Numbness or loss of feeling in fingers, toes, ears, or nose. Clumsiness or slowed movements. Pale, waxy, or hardened skin. Workers rushing tasks to get out of the cold. Pause the video and discuss the following question with your employees.